In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Threads. We will walk through the key controls so you decide who can see and interact with you. Open the Threads app. Once it loads, you land on your main feed with posts from people you follow and recommended accounts. If the app asks you to log in, use your usual Instagram details so Threads connects to your existing profile. When you see your profile photo in the bottom bar, you know you are signed in and ready. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This opens your personal page showing your name, handle, photo, and your posts. A beginner tip here: this page is where almost all account-related controls start in Threads, so it is worth remembering how it looks. Next up, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. A new screen slides in with a simple list of options. You should see items like Account, Privacy, and others. Whenever you want to change how Threads behaves for you, this is usually where you come first. From there, tap Privacy. The privacy screen groups controls for how visible you are and how people interact with you. You might see sections for profile privacy, mentions, followers, and similar options. Any change you make here applies right away. You do not need to hunt for a save button. Adjust the settings you want. Take a moment to scroll through them so you get a feel for what exists. Each line opens a small detail screen where you can fine-tune things such as who can see your activity or how people reach you. If you ever feel unsure about a setting, you can simply back out without changing anything. Now let us make your Threads account private. Go to Profile, then Settings, then Privacy if you are not already there. Being back on this privacy screen keeps all the related controls in one place. Find Profile Privacy in the list. Tap it to open more detailed controls. Here, Threads focuses only on whether your profile is public or private. Nothing else changes on this screen. Turn Private Profile on. When the switch moves and changes color, the setting is active. If a confirmation appears, read it, then confirm when you are ready. Once you accept, your profile status updates immediately. With a private profile, only followers you approve can follow you and see your posts. People can still send follow requests, but they will not see your full content until you accept them. Existing followers keep their access unless you remove them. Next, let us control who can mention you. Go to Profile, then the menu icon, then Privacy, then Mentions. This Mentions page decides which accounts are allowed to tag your username inside their posts or replies. Limiting this can cut down on unwanted attention. You can choose who is allowed to mention you, such as everyone, profiles you follow, or no one. Pick the level that matches how open you want to be to public conversations. You have now set your Threads privacy, including a private profile and mention controls, so your account works the way you want. If this helped you lock down your privacy on Threads, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.